Flint Hill fourth graders, welcome to Math with Miss Levin. We're going to be talking today about place value, and when you get finished watching this video, if you'll click on the attachment at the top of the email that you got this link in, then you will find the choice board. And at the end of the video, if you'll complete 2 activities for both of the lessons that you see on place value in this email. Okay, thank you. All right. So today we're going to be talking about place value. How do we use place value in the real world? So that's our essential question for today. In this lesson, we're going to identify place value of a particular digit in a multi-digit number. We're going to read and write multi-digit numbers. We're also going to connect place value and multi-digit numbers to real world problems. So let's get started. And let's visit a place where you might need to know how to read multi-digit numbers. On the next slide, you will see 3 toys for sale in a toy store. Look at the price tags. You're going to tell which toy costs the most, which toy costs the least, and then we're going to talk about other places you might find price tags in everyday life. So let's look here. Okay, so there's a baseball glove for $22, a radio with a sound system for $10, and a toy car for $21. Okay, which one of these is the most expensive? If you said the baseball glove, you are correct. $22 is more than 10 or 21. So which one is the least expensive? If you said the radio, then yes, you are correct. $10 is less than 22 and 21. Where are some other places that you might see price tags? If you said places like the grocery store or Goodwill or Walmart or any place like that, the gas station, sometimes the gas station has price tags. The convenience store, you might see price tags there, and that is correct. Those are all good places. Okay. In this lesson, we're going to learn about place value in multi-digit numbers. We'll practice reading and writing multi-digit numbers, as well as learn to apply these numbers to real-world situations. Learning about place value will help us our understanding of numbers a whole lot better. And then when we get to larger numbers later on, we'll be able to understand what we're doing. Okay, place value. Let's look what place value is. What is place value? Place value is the value of a digit based on its position in a number. So in the number 4,563, the 4 is in the thousands place, the 5 is in the hundreds place, the 6 is in the tens place, and the 3 is in the ones place. So that means that this place is more than the other places because the value of the 4 is more than the others because it is in the thousands place. Let's try some together, okay? What are multi-digit numbers? A multi-digit number is a number that has more than one digit. Examples of them would be any of these numbers here. 453,543, 90,310, 41, 3,457, and 605. Those are all multi-digit numbers. Multi means more than one, so these all have more than one digit in a number. Place value, we just said what place value was. Place value is the value of a digit based on its position in a number. A place value chart helps you to determine the place value of a digit in a multi-digit number. So the next slide would be a place value chart. And if you look here, this goes all the way to billions. In 4th grade, we only go to millions, so you won't even need to worry about past that. Okay, we just go to millions in 4th grade. We go to billions, I think, in 5th grade, so that'll be a 5th grade standard. But we go to millions in 4th grade, so we would only need this much back here. So we would need to know ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, 10,000s, 100,000s, and millions. Every group of 3 numbers is called a period. That's just a little extra for you there. And all of these are called a period, and all of these are in the thousands period. So every digit in this period is going to have a thousands on it. You're going to need a comma after that 1,000. Every digit in this next period are in the millions period. Okay? Oops, sorry, I did not click. There we go. And I just said that, look, I just went ahead of myself. A period is a group of three numbers. The place values that are blue represent the end of a period. They are billions, millions, and thousands. So you have the units, then you have the thousands, the millions, and the billions. And those are called units because those are all, that's what we usually call ones, is units. When you read a multi-digit number, use the place value chart to help you. So you're going to read it as the place value chart says. It's hard to see that, isn't it? It may be hard to see that a little bit, but this says thousands, 5,678. So if you read it like this, you know this number is, you're in 4th grade, so you learn to count, you learn to read 3-digit numbers in 3rd grade, 678. And now you add 5, and because that's in the thousands place with a comma, you say the place that it's in at the comma. 5,678. Okay, so all we're doing now is adding on another digit. I think you did that in 3rd grade too. Let's look at another example with a 7-digit number. Same thing here. You have millions. Okay, remember that the yellow is the millions. 678, 129. So you have 5 million. Read this as if it was all by itself. 678. There's a comma here, so that means you say thousands. And then 129. Okay, you should be able to read that part. 5,678,129. That's kind of tricky. We'll talk about that more and work with that more as we go through. Okay. Let's go to the next page. Use the place value chart to help you write the number 4,328 in words. Okay, so here's the place value chart. It's a little bit bigger. So I want you to write 4,328 in words. Go ahead and pause the video and write that in words using this place value chart. Okay, great. So you should have written 4,000, sorry, I'll do that. Sorry. So you would have written 4,000 328. That's long, and that takes a long time. All right, that's amazing. Y'all did a great job today. I'm so excited for y'all. Now remember, at the end of this video, go ahead and click stop, and you can click on the link at the top of the attachment at the top of the email that Dr. DiNardo sent, and you can pick one activity on the place value choice board. Y'all are amazing.